Hello, thank you for clicking the link. My name is Christopher.McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2020 Eclipse Attitude 2814 GS. Come on inside and we'll take a look. As you can see here, this was a nice wide open floor plan starting over here in the kitchen. Nice stainless steel large basin sink. So you come over here to the Suburban stove and cooktop with a 3-burner, and then the stove underneath. And up here the nice big GE microwave with lots of storage. And then a nice sized fridge here also with freezer and fridge. And then another little cubby here, which is kind of a neat little hidden gem. And then coming around this side, you have storage all the way across the top. And then your couch here with the dinette, the couch will fold up flat and the dinette will remove. Two nice, extremely comfortable Razor Edition chairs. Dual couches. These couches come down electrically, fold up against the wall with a bunk above. And then your table, the dinette table sits here with the 2 tabletops there. And then on this side, more storage. And a nice big TV. A nice location here straight across from the couch so it's not a weird angle. Then come on back this way. More storage. And then as you come through here, you see there's a ton of storage here in the restroom. Enough room to hang quite a few things in there. Jack and Jill doors for the restroom. Really good sized walk-in shower. Big sink with storage underneath and a vanity above. And then back into the bedroom. Tons of storage again in here. Storage there, storage on the sides, storage up above with power on both sides. And then as you can see here, nice size awning with marine grade speakers. The suspension on here has Zerk fittings so you can actually lubricate your suspension. And then around the back side, nice easy access ramp, very simple to use. And then on this side here you have your fuel station, so you don't have to carry around gas cans, enough fuel in there to fuel all your toys. Your city and freshwater connections. Your outdoor shower right here. And your onboard generator. 2 big propane tanks and a power jack. And then again, thank you for clicking the link. Again, this is the 2020 Eclipse Attitude 2814 GS. If you have any questions or would like to take a look at it, please call me. My name's Chris. Cell phone number is 541-731-8583. Thank you very much. We'll talk to you soon.